Expenses and bills process in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, an expense is money that your business spends at the time of purchase, and bill is money that your business owes but will pay at a later date that appears in payables report. Let's get started. On the dashboard, on the left menu column, there is Expenses tab. There, click on Expenses. There is an option for New Transaction. Click on it. Here are options for bills, expenses, check and credit cards type of expenses. Click on Expense. Here we have to select payment account from where expense is paid. Now select payee, then select payment account. Click on payment method. Here are options of cards, checks, cash, etc. I am taking MasterCard. Give reference number, select category, description and amount. You can select billable if the expense is to be charged to customer and select the customer. You can keep it blank if not billable. Here, expense receipt can be uploaded as attachment. Click on Save and Close. Expense is now recorded. Now to record bill, follow the same process. Click New Transaction and select Bill. Here, we do not get option of payment account as this will be paid later. Select vendor. Once you select the vendor, QuickBooks will pre-fill the data from previously recorded transactions. Add new reference and check and update details as required. Click Save and Close. Bill is now recorded. In this way, we can record expenses and bill in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching. Write down your thoughts or questions in the comments below.